Students, there are mainly four types of relations. They are one-to-one relation, one-to-many relation, many-to-one relation, and many-many relation. First, let us see what the one-to-one relation is. A relation from the set A into set B is said to be a one-to-one relation if no two elements of set A have the same image in the set B. For this definition, let us take one example. Set A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the set B contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, the element 1 of the set A is related to the element 2 in the set B. 2 of A is assigned to 4 of the set B. 3 is related to 6. 4 is to 8 and 5 is to 10. Now in this relation, let us take the first pair. 1 is related to 2. So here the element 2 of the set B is called image of the element 1. Element 4 of the set B is called image of 2 of the set A. 6 is image of 3 and so on. Now in this relation we can observe that the different elements of the set A have the different images in the set B. Here no two elements of the set A have the same image in the set B. Such a relation is called a one-to-one relation. Now let us see one example in your class itself. A is set of all the students in your class and B is set of their corresponding roll numbers. Now let us assign each and every student with their roll numbers. If you observe, each and every student is given only one roll number. What does it mean? No student is given two or more roll numbers, or any two different students will not be given same roll number. Conversely, if you take any roll number, it will represent only one student. It will not represent two or more students. So here there is a one-to-one correspondence between the elements of these two sets from both the sides. Such a relation is called a one-to-one relation. So it can be taken as an example of one-to-one relation. In the same way, if you take the coordinate plane, each and every point in the coordinate plane is represented by a unique ordered pair of two real numbers. Conversely, every ordered pair of two real numbers will represent only one point in the coordinate system. So, between the set of points in the coordinate plane and a set of ordered pairs of two real numbers, there can be a one-to-one correspondence. So, it can also be taken as an example of a one-to-one relation. The second one is a one-to-many relation. A relation R from the set A into set B is said to be one-to-many relation if an element of the set A is related to two or more elements in the set B. Now let us see this example. In this relation R, the element 1 of the set A is assigned to element W in the set B, and the element 2 of the set A is related to three elements X, Y and Z. In this case, one element 2 is related to many elements of the set B. Such a type of relation is called a one-to-many relation. Now let us see some real situation for one-to-many relation. Let us take an account holder in any bank. Now this account holder is identified by the bank with the help of his name, account number PAN number, Aadhaar number, etc. Like that, each and every account holder in that bank is linked with all these details. So here this type of correspondence can be taken as an example of one-to-many relation. And the third one is many-to-one relation. A relation R from the set A into set B is said to be many-to-one relation if two or more elements of the set A are related to one element in the set B. Now let us see this example. In this relation, the elements 1, 2 and 3 of the set A are related to element 6 in the set B, and the element 5 of the set A is related to 9 of the set B. Here, 3 elements of the set A are related to 1 element in the set B. So here, this is the correspondence between many elements to 1 element. This relation is taken as many-one relation. Let us see this example. If you want to define the relation between the students in one college and their principal in that college, here each and every student is related to only one person who is the principal of that college. So each and every element of the first set is related to one element in the second set. This type of correspondence is defined as many-one relation. The fourth relation is many-many relation. A relation R from the set A to set B is defined as many-many relation if two or more elements of the set A are related to two or more elements of the set B. Now let us see this example. R is a relation from set of 1, 2, 3, 4 into set of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 defined by the property is a factor of. In this relation R, 1 is assigned to all the elements in the set B as 1 is a factor of every number. The element 2 of A is related to 2, 4 and 6 of the set B as 2 is a factor of all these numbers. And in the same way, 3 is connected with 3 and 6 and 4 is connected with 4 only. In this relation, we can see that the element 1 of A is connected with many elements in the set B, and also many elements are related with one element in the set B. For example, 1, 2 and 4 are related to element 4 in the set B. Students, this type of relation is defined as many-many relation.